Hey everyone, this is Brandon Miller. My name is Brandon Miller, and I'm going to do my second video in this week's C2C video. I'm going to be talking about psychoanalysts proves that hypnosis works on cases of multiple personality disorders. Without not having a very strong background in this topic, with hypnosis and multiple personality disorders, I would need to do some research first. I would not take this at face value, or at face value, excuse me, just because I want to be cautious and make sure that I understand the topic before I'm able to discuss or make a statement on multiple personality disorders or hypnosis in general. With doing this, like I said, I'd want to make sure that I understand the meaning of hypnosis and the meaning of multiple personality disorders. I'd like to do some research and read some scholarly articles on different research around these two topics. Definitely look at data that's been tested on multiple personality disorders, demographics of people that's been tested on, age groups that has been tested on with this theory. Hypnosis is another thing that I would want to make sure that I review and learn more about. Again, looking at data to really look at the face value of what hypnosis is and how it works. Primarily with individuals with multiple personality disorders. After I'd compiled all that data, research, and information, I wanted to then sit down with multiple colleagues, probably in this field that deals with this, and get more interpretation from them and collaborate with them just based on the research and the findings and the data that I've looked at. I'd like to collaborate with them, get their different viewpoints or different perspectives in the work in this field and their personal connections with multiple personality disorders and hypnosis. Once I gain this information, then I would like to compile more and take all my findings that I've done personally and collaborating with other colleagues in this field, take that and then compile some more evidence together and look at the scope of what kind of statement that I would be making on this topic. I'd want to know who I would be talking to, the clients or the participants that I'll be speaking to. Are they very familiar with this field? Do they have personal connections with this field? What kind of statement will I be making to the individuals, just so I have a better understanding of who my audience is when I'm reviewing this topic. Again, in the end, I'd want to make sure that when all this is done, that I have a pretty good, thorough understanding of this area. I've done some major critical thinking. I've not made any emotional responses, and I've really approached this as a business opportunity to learn more about multiple personality disorders and hypnosis and whether or not it helps individuals with this disorder. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Thank you.